Hi, Joy. Good afternoon, Joy. Hello, Joy. Can you open your camera for me? Hello. It's been a long time, Joy. How are you? You okay? Yes, you are. That is good. Wait, do you have a runny nose? Do you have a runny nose?
Ooh.
No.
No, no.
Ah, no, no. Okay, well, that's good to know. Please make yourself comfortable, Joy. Now, let us start right away. Let me share my screen. And for today, we'll have the continuation of um, page 10, Joy. So, again, we have here omelette,
Yeah.
smoothie, fruit salad, and milkshake. Okay, so again, Joy, let us have this one. Can you tell me, Joy, if we have a yogurt, banana,
No. Uh,
if we have yogurt, bananas, and milk, what can we make?
I don't know.
Why not? Okay, wait, let me show it to you again. Look at the screen, Joy. If we have yogurt, bananas, and milk, what can we make?
Smoothie.
Okay,
Smoothie.
yes, we can make a smoothie. If we have apples, peaches, and oranges, we can make.
Fruit salad.
Okay, very good. Now, if we have milk, ice cream, and chocolate, we can make.
Milkshake.
Great job. Now, what about if we have eggs, milk, and cheese, and butter? What can we make, Joy? What do you think?
Omelette.
Okay, yes, very
Omelette.
good. We can make an omelette. Now, let us proceed to your workbook, Joy. Can you tell me again what this is? What is it, Joy?
A smoothie. A smoothie. A smoothie.
Yes,
A
that's right.
omelette.
Very good. This one.
A milkshake.
Very good. And the last one?
Fruit salad.
Okay, fruit salad. What did you eat as a snack today, Joy? What did you eat as snack today?
I want to make. I want to make a fruit salad.
Okay, I want to make a fruit salad. What about for two?
I I want to make a smoothie.
Very good. Three,
I
Joy.
want to make a milkshake.
Very good. And last one.
I want to make an omelet.
There you have it. Thank you, Joy. Now let us proceed to this one. Look at the word bank, Joy, and complete this. Okay. So we have here a smoothie, right? In here, you have to tell me what do we need to make it. I
I don't
need
know. I don't
some.
know.
What you have to tell me? I need some.
Yogurt.
Okay, I need some yogurt
Peach.
and some Bananas.
Banana.
Okay. Okay, I need some yogurt and some bananas to make
I make an
to make
I make an
smoothie.
oh my god.
You can do it, Joy. Try it, Joy. What about for two? I need
Need some I I I
omelette.
need
Omelette, Joy.
I need some egg
Eggs and some
and
some what? Some milk.
and
See?
some
In here, Joy, we need an egg, some eggs, and some milk to
milk.
make an omelette.
Omelette.
Okay. Yes, just like in here. Wait, let me undo it. Okay, now, what about to make an omelette? Okay, now, what about for three, Joy?
Make
I need
some chocolate and some milk.
we don't have chocolate here. I need some
No,
ice cream.
ice cream and some ah,
And some
and
milk.
cho milk coffee.
Yes, we can repeat our answers, Joy. So I need some ice cream and some milk to make what is this? To make a milk.
Milkshake.
Okay, yes, very good. A milkshake. Last one, Joy.
I need some oranges and some apple to make some
Okay, continue, Joy. Okay, I need some oranges
and
and
some apple
we don't have
peaches
apples. Okay, and some peaches to make
to make fruit
a
salad.
fruit salad. Okay, yes, very good, Joy. Just always look at the word bank, Joy, so you can see if what the word that you're about to say is included or given there. Okay? Now, since we're done with that, Joy, then let us proceed to another one. Okay, so look at C. This is C. And I want you to tell me what are we going to make? Okay, so the first one, Joy, I want to make what is it? I want to make
Smoothie
what about for two? I want,
to make omelette.
very good. Three,
I want to
Joy.
make a milkshake.
Okay, milkshake. And the last one?
I want to make a fruit salad.
Very good, Joy. There you have it. Thank you so much for that. Now let us proceed
I'm
to
hungry. I'm
what?
hungry. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
No, I'm sorry to hear that. Joy, are you really hungry?
It's finished. Finished.
No, we still have 15 minutes, Joy. We can't finish unless the time is up. Okay. No, you're not hungry. I think you're not hungry yet. Your mom told me you are just making excuses. Okay, now I want to make a milkshake. Can you connect it, Joy? Connect it.
Hmm?
Yes, I want you to connect it.
Finger
Use your
one.
pen, Joy. Where is your pen?
One. Ah, wait. There.
Where? I can see your pen. Okay, yes, very good, Joy. Thank you. Now I want to make a fruit salad. What about that?
Oh my God. What? What? What?
I want to make a fruit salad.
Oh, I need some apple and name.
Okay. Can you connect it? I want to make a fruit salad. Match it, Joy. Match it.
Where?
I can see your pen. Can you use your pen? Where is your pen? Where are you going, Joy? Okay, now can you tell me the answer? Can you connect it just like what I did here? What about for the second one? I want to make a fruit salad.
I want to make a fruit salad.
Yes.
Thường mà trưa nay được ít cá là bố bỏ đi.
It's okay, it's in there, Joy, in there. Now I want to make a
Where?
smoothie.
But where?
Smoothie.
I don't.
Where is your pen?
I don't know. Uh,
Where is your pen? I want to make a smoothie. Where is the smoothie, Joy? Where is
I
the
don't know. Make a
smoothie?
smooth. I don't. Là mà cái to quá.
Which picture is the smoothie? This one, this one, this, or this?
I had it.
Can you encircle it? Okay, yes, thank you, Joy. And I want to make an omelette. Where is the omelette? Omelette.
Omelette there.
Where? Can you use your... Oh, is that an omelette? This one, that is a smoothie. It's a smoothie.
No.
What about the omelette, Joy? Omelette. I want to make an omelette, but can you tell me first, where is the omelette?
Omelette is there.
Where?
There.
I want you not to say it's there, but I want you to match it yourself, Joy. Okay, it's in here. Now, can you fill in the gap, Joy? I want to make, what is she going to make?
She's going to make 103.
What drink will she make, Joy? How is it milkshake? It's a smoothie,
Yeah.
Joy. It is a smoothie. See, we have here a yogurt and some bananas. Yes, it is a smoothie. Smoothie, Joy. Smoothie. Now, next one. Can you fill in? What is your answer here?
Very
Hi.
hungry.
Don't worry, we're almost done, Joy. 10 minutes more and you can eat if you are hungry. Okay? What is your answer here, Joy?
Where? I don't know.
No, of course you know it. You have to try before saying no. I
I want to make a omelette.
Is it an omelette? Why would you say an omelette? We already have here fruit salad. Okay, so I want to make a fruit salad, Joy. Yes. Why would you say omelette? We have here fruits. Okay, next one. I want what?
I want to make a milkshake.
Is it a milkshake? Joy, are you
A
sure?
fruit salad.
No, it's not a fruit salad. Neither. See, we have eggs. We have milk. What do you think is he going to make? Make a?
Egg and milk. Egg and milk.
Yes, eggs and milk. Make a?
Make
It's, I want what?
I want to
Okay,
make
I want to make
to
it
make uh
an omelette, Joy.
omelette.
Okay, yes, I want to make an omelette. Very good. Next one. What about here?
Yeah. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. It's I want to make a milkshake. Okay?
And this
Milkshake.
ice cream and milk.
Yes. That's why we have milkshake. Okay? Milkshake, Joy ice cream and milk. We can make milkshake. Remember that, Joy? Okay, it's okay. That's fine, Joy. Don't worry, it's okay. Now let us have around town places to go. Now,
No.
yes. What is it, Joy?
Tita.
Okay, very good.
Supermarket, post office, denmark store, library.
Okay, there you have it, Joy. So now let us start. Okay, listen and number, Joy. Listen and number.
Page 12. B. Listen and number. 1,
Where are we going, Mike? We're going to the park. Yay!
2,
Look, there are Mike and Leah.
Page 12. B. Listen and number. 1,
Where are we going, Mike? We're going to the park. Yay!
Mhm.
Park. Wait, park. I don't know. I don't know.
Where are we going, Mike? We're going to the park.
Page 12. B. Listen and number. 1,
Where are we going, Mike? We're going to the park. Yay!
Mm-hmm. Where is the park? Is this the park, Joy? Mm,
It's not.
yes, where is the park?
I don't know. Right
Park. Park. Where is the park?
there.
Where? Can you number it? Okay, yes, very good, Joy. Thank you.
2,
Look, there are Mike and Leo.
Where?
They're in front of the library. Mike
Mhm.
is wearing an orange t-shirt. See?
Very good,
Oh,
Joy.
yes.
That's correct.
Now I see them.
Hi, Mike. Hi, Julie.
3,
There's the movie theater. Mom, can we see a movie? Please?
Sorry, not today. Maybe we can go on Sunday.
Okay, very
4,
good.
Excuse me, where can I get some eggs?
The supermarket is on this street.
Oh, good. Where is it?
It's the second building from here. Can you see the post office? It's first. Then the supermarket is second.
Okay,
I
yes,
see
very
it.
good. That's correct,
Thank you so
Joy. Now,
much.
last one.
You're so helpful.
You're welcome.
You're numbering it already, Joy.
5,
Come on, Danny. I need a new shirt.
Are we going to the department store next to the post office?
Yes, we are. Then it's time for lunch.
That's good. I'm hungry.
Okay, yes, very good, Joy. There you have it. Accurate answers, Joy. And since we're done with the listening activity, let us now proceed to another one. Okay, let me erase it all, Joy. And now we have here across from. Okay, so where's or where is? It's across from blank. Okay, so across from it is in the it's in the opposite side, Joy, opposite direction of something. Okay, now can you tell me where's the park, Joy? Where's the park? Where is the park? Okay, can you say it's across from the movie theater?
I don't know.
No, all you have to do is to read it and change some words whenever necessary.
Across from the movie theater.
Okay, yes. Where is the movie theater?
And
Where is the...
it's there.
No, don't tell me it's there, Joy. You have to tell me your answer. It's across.
It across from the.
What is it?
I don't know.
We have here a letter, right? We have an envelope. This is a post office, Joy. Post office. So it's across from the post office. Can you tell me again, where is the movie theater?
It's over the letters.
Okay, it's across from the
From the
post office.
post office.
Where is the supermarket?
From the shop back.
Okay, department store. Department store. Can you say across? Across.
Across a department store.
Okay, it's across from the department store. Where is the post office? Where is the post office, Joy?
Down
Okay, can you tell me where is the post office, Joy? It's across
Focus across the store
library. Okay, it's across from the library.
Library.
Yes, that's correct. Where is the department store? Where is the department store? It's across from
Across from the home store.
supermarket, Joy. This one, see, we have here a cart,
Supermarket.
right? Yes, it's supermarket. Now, where is the library?
The library is across the park.
Okay, yes, across from the park, Joy. Thank you. Okay, so you can rest now, eat if you really are hungry, and I'll see you again tomorrow, okay? Goodbye, Joy.